Welcome to the Altair SimLab Learning Center. This video will provide an overview of the basic controls for navigating SimLab. Left-click to select and deselect. To access the pan view, right-click. Middle-click to rotate the center. Use your mouse wheel to zoom. For quick zoom, click Ctrl and left-click. Click F to get a fit view. Click I to isolate an element. And right-click to select Reset Model. Click H to hide an element. Click Shift and S to create or modify a new shortcut. To create a new shortcut, select the feature and click the shortcut keys.